Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to script a game on Roblox. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to know that scripting will require some uh, programming skills. So basically this is a forum or just an article on the Roblox Studio or the Creator Hub that is explaining how to use coding on Roblox. So basically to create scripts, we need to have first the creator or studio Roblox. So basically you can just go to the creator hub, and after that you will need just to have your account and click on the studio. And basically I already have it, so I'm just going to open the Roblox Studio, and then you can start creating new maps or games on your Roblox game. So basically now our Roblox Studio is launching, and basically we need just to wait for it to start up. And after that, we will just dive in how to start adding scripts on our Roblox Studio games. So basically, just as I said, for the scripting on Roblox, you will require some programming skills, and the language that is used on the Roblox game is the Lua language. So basically, if you want to learn more about this language, you can just go to lua.org and go to the documentation and download its interpreter if you want to start practicing the language dependently than Roblox. So basically, you can just click on download or the documentation so you can understand how the language works. Or you can just follow this forum that is explaining some principles or some just main general principle of programming, creating some code, adding some variables and other properties. So here we are just going to start new. We can go for any base plate, and basically, as you can see here, we will find the server script service. And here we need just to add any script, and basically this is the first script that we want. And now we can go to the view and click on play. Let's just click on play, and we need just to go to our uh, prompt or just the output. And basically you go to view, you will search just for the script analysis, the output, and as you can see here we already have hello world. Otherwise, if we go to the script here and print the script, of course it should be on quotation mark, the script, we will have the script that we run. Of course, you need to pause or to stop the game and rerun it so we can see the script. Let's just go to the view. We start the game, and as you can see, we will have this text that will be added on the server. Of course, you can have some other to learn new things, like to have these scripts, for example, displayed on the screen, etc. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.